Okay, let's be real. Some days during our periods, even the thought of squeezing into jeans feels like a nightmare. You're bloated, uncomfortable, and all you want to do is feel normal again. So, today I'm breaking down my go to period friendly outfit hacks that will make you look stylish but also comfortable. Trust me, these are hacks that I use when I'm feeling bloated, crampy, cranky, and all I want to do is get through life one day at a time. So, let's get started. You know my first hack? High-waisted flowy bottoms. Think wide culottes. These are lifesavers. The high waist gives you a light definition without squeezing in your stomach, and the flowy legs makes it breathable. The silhouette is also flattering because it elongates your leg without cinching in your stomach too much, which basically would make it uncomfortable. I love pairing these with a ribbed tank or a crop top, which balances out the volume below and still looks effortlessly chic. But do avoid leggings and skinny jeans on your heaviest day, it will make you feel restricted and crankier. Now let's talk layering hacks. An oversized blazer or a shrug is my go-to styling cheat code. Throw it over a basic tank and a comfy pair of joggers, and you will instantly start looking polished and elevated even though you're wearing the most comfortable clothes. The best part, the oversized fits don't cling to your body, but they still balance your body frame. And if they end up covering your hips, you instantly get that put together but I'm still relaxed kind of vibe. A pro tip here, use breathable fabrics like cotton blend or linen. You can also add accessories like a golden pair of hoops or a pendant and instantly elevate your outfit. Now, dresses during your periods might sound scary, but think empire waist dresses. These are dresses that sit right under your bust and then flow down completely without cutting into your stomach or feeling very restricted. They are mostly A-line, tiered, or just flow very seamlessly, which is why they are perfect for your period days because they give you all the freedom to move around. Pair these with either platform sandals or sneakers that keep it comfortable but still look like you're putting in effort. Bonus tip, wear darker colors or prints in case you're worried about any leaks. Now this one is less about what you're wearing but what it's made of. So please during your period days completely avoid synthetics and nylon. These fabrics trap heat, don't let your skin breathe and make the bloating even worse. Instead, stick to cotton, bamboo, modal, rayon, and fabrics like these that allow your body and skin to breathe easily. Even when I'm picking out joggers or something that I'm just wearing at home, I make sure that I'm picking out cotton blend fabrics because it just makes staying in that outfit for hours way more breathable and comfortable. If you've enjoyed watching this video so far and found it helpful, please do hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me and help me hit 500k this year. Now, if you're someone who likes to wear Indian wear, Indian kurtas are honestly a great option. A-line or straight kurtas are honestly the best things to wear on your periods. They're loose around the stomach, super breathable, and still look elegant even if you're not trying too hard. You can pair these with palazzos, leggings, or straight pants. Stick to soft cotton blends and malmal fabrics so your skin can breathe. And if you're worried about stains, go for a darker print or a darker color kurta. The best part, kurtas give you the maximum movement and coverage without feeling too bulky. And it's perfect for when you just want to stay comfortable but still look put together. If I could recommend just one pair, it would be elastic waist pair of pants or trousers. These are just to your body, so if you're bloated 1 hour and fine the next, you don't have to change outfits. They're roomy, comfortable, and look cool without seeming like you tried too hard. And hello, they have pockets so you can keep snacks, pads, medicines, painkillers, even if you're stepping out for a quick errand. And here's my favorite confidence hack, double layer bottoms. Think pants, skirts, or dresses with built-in lining or built-in undershorts or even period-safe shorts that you can wear under your outfits. This gives you that extra protection against leaks, especially if you're wearing lighter colors, and gives you peace of mind so you're not constantly checking if there are any stains on your outfit every 5 minutes. And lastly, do not sleep on peplum tops. I know they had their weird face, but when styled right, they're actually very comfortable for period days. They sit right below your bust, similar to the empire waist dresses, and don't squeeze in your stomach. So it gives you a nice flattering shape without being uncomfortable. Opt for fabrics like cotton poplin or linen blends that let your skin breathe, like I said, and pair them with high-waisted trousers or elasticated skirts. This is a great outfit formula to feel confident and comfortable at the same time. So the next time your period makes you feel like you cannot wear anything, try one of these hacks. Think of empire waist dresses, Indian kurtas, high-waisted flowy bottoms, and everything else that I've shared in this video. And if you enjoyed watching this and found it helpful, do hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!